Blustery showers across the UK today, and the outlook remains unsettled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain. Huge hurricane. It made landfall yesterday in Mexico near Acapulco, and it made landfall as a huge Category 5 hurricane. That is to that 165 miles an hour. Another thing is the computer models actually got the forecast wrong. They weren't forecasting even a hurricane to make landfall. They're just forecasting for a storm to make landfall. And it was rapid intensification because the water was so warm and the atmosphere is so warm. So now projections for climate change means these Category 4 or 5 storms become much more likely and also harder to predict. And weather-wise for us, it just remains unsettled, autumnal, the sort of weather we expect for this time of year. Initially, fog and misty conditions like we had yesterday will slowly clear, and then we have further bands of rain or showers. So here's the detail. First of all, it's worth pointing out we have a very small weather warning across the northeast of Scotland. This is the area we had the red warning last week, so further rain here is not welcome news. But the satellite and radar picks out fairly cloudy skies, so reasonably mild start for many of us. Frost-free, but with showers for parts of Northern Ireland, Wales, heading down to the southeast of England, and many of these are heavy, so heavy downpours. A lot of spray on the roads again, heading through central and eastern areas of England, and misty, murky conditions across northern areas of England as well. So by this afternoon, we keep these downpours and these showers through eastern areas of England and Scotland, and it stays cool here as well, 11 to 12 degrees. Brighter skies further west with sunny spells and also some scattered showers, top temperatures of 16 degrees, but the best of the sunshine and the light winds in the south, 16 should feel very pleasant indeed. Good morning to you. We've had a pretty unsettled week of weather. Well, it's been fairly mixed. It's half term, but if you still have some outdoor plans, there's still a fair bit of dry weather to be enjoyed, but umbrellas at the ready as we head through the next few days. Here's what's happening for today. We have foggy, misty conditions that'll be slow to clear, similar to that we had yesterday. A band of rain around, and then for many of us, it is sunshine and showers elsewhere. So this is the latest warning. We just have one in force at the moment across the northeast of Scotland. This is the area we had the red warning last week, so further rain on this saturated ground is not welcome news. Here's how things look at the moment on the satellite and radar image. A lot of cloud around, and that means it's a frost-free start to our day, with outbreaks of rain from this weather front that stretches from southwest Scotland, northwest England, the Midlands, down towards London and the home counties. And within this band, you can see the yellows and the greens. That means there'll be some heavy bursts. So a lot of spray on the roads this morning through eastern areas. And this is where the band of rain rests all day. So the winds feed it in along these eastern coasts, grey, grim, overcast skies with these outbreaks of rain that'll be heavy and disappointing temperatures, 11 or 12 degrees, brighter further south and west, with sunshine and a few showers and highs of around about 16. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. So we divide the country in half, and it's pretty much leads northwards, that is north. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, the far north of England. And we look at our temperatures, and they sit below average as we head through the rest of the week and into next week, with a bit of a dip by next Tuesday. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. How likely we are to see wet weather? Well, we have the rain around today, but that's through eastern areas. Tomorrow is more one of sunshine and showers, and the showery theme continues through the weekend. They look pretty heavy, but then it turns dry for the start of next week. The South England and Wales for the next 7 days. Well, again, looking at our temperatures, they have been above average, but they're average or maybe a little below as we head into next week. Percentage chance of rainfall, well, it's not a washout, but it's hit and miss. Today we have the rain, but mostly through eastern areas with some showers around. Showers into the weekend that turn heavier and more frequent through Monday and Tuesday, but things turning a little bit drier as we head to the middle of next week. A mixed bag. There is some sunshine, but there is also some rain around as well. But when the sun comes out, it will feel pleasantly warm, but mist and fog to contend with first of all. Here's how it looks. We have a warning still through northeastern parts of Scotland. That's where we had the red warning last week, so further rain here, not welcome news. The latest satellite shows cloudy skies and a band of rain through Northern Ireland, northwest England, heading down towards the southeast. It is heavy, a lot of spray on the roads. This whole band of rain rests through eastern areas this afternoon, so wet here, but brighter further west. Here, the promise of some sunshine and mild with highs of 16.